I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Greetings to all. I am Ishana Mukherjee from class 9D. I am very excited to get a chance to share a few words about Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhim Jayanti is an annual festival observed on 14th April to commemorate the memory of B.R. Ambedkar, Indian polymath and civil rights activist. About Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, an eminent Indian jurist, economist, politician, social reformer, educationalist, and the architect of the Constitution of India. He was born in a Marathi family on 14th April 1891 in the British-founded town and military cantonment of Mahau, Central Provinces, Madhya Pradesh. He was the 14th and last child of Ramji Malodji Sappal and Bhimabai Murbatkar. He served as military secretary in Baroda and later became a professor at Sydenham College, Government Law College, and later became its principal. Academic career. Dr. Ambedkar did his graduation in Economics and Politics from Elphinstone College, University of Bombay, India. Sayaji Rao III, the Maharaja of the princely state of Baroda, sponsored Dr. Ambedkar's further education in abroad. He first studied at Columbia University in New York and completed a master's, MA and a PhD. He also received BSc from the London School of Economics. Dr. Ambedkar knew 9 languages: Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi, Pali, Sanskrit, English, French, German, and Persian. His academic record tells us that he was a brilliant academician. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar said, "Education is not only the birthright of every human being, but also a weapon of social change." Drafting the Indian Constitution. After India's independence on 15th August 1947, Dr. Ambedkar served as the Law and Justice Minister in the cabinet of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Dr. Ambedkar is considered as the architect of the Indian Constitution. He headed the committee that drafted the Indian Constitution. Dr. Ambedkar, chairman of the drafting committee, presented the final draft of the Indian Constitution to Rajendra Prasad, President of the Constituent Assembly, on 25th November 1949. Dr. Ambedkar on Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution provides protections for a wide range of civil liberties for individual citizens, including freedom of religion, abolition of untouchability, and outlawing of all forms of discrimination. Dr. Ambedkar argued for women's extensive economic and social rights. He had envisaged reservation for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha, state assembly constituencies, government jobs, and education. Now let us hear a part of his speech in the Constituent Assembly held on 17 December 1946.
Take a decision in common and march in a cooperative way on that road which is bound to lead us to unity.
Few books written by Dr. Ambedkar: The Problem of the Rupee, Caste in India, The Untouchables, The Buddha and His Dhamma. Bharat Ratna. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar died on the 6th of December 1956. Dr. Ambedkar was posthumously honored with the highest Indian civilian award, Bharat Ratna, on the 31st of March 1990 for his invaluable contributions to the country and society. Ambedkar Jayanti celebration in India. Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhim Jayanti is an annual festival observed on the 14th of April to commemorate the memory of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, an Indian polymath and civil rights activist. Since 2015, this day has been an official public holiday throughout India. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.